Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. I have a question for you. Would you dare to take a core piece of logic of your application and rewrite it from scratch? For most people, it sounds terrifying. What if we break something? Of course, those other people don't have tests. We do. For them, the fear is real, not for us. We have a great suite of tests, which means we can do magic. Today, we're going to actually do a magic trick. We're going to ask AI to refactor our code, a full algorithm, and rewrite it from scratch. Then we can prove with our test that we have 100% confidence that it works. Well, 100%-ish. Okay, let's look at the code. This is a simple factorial calculation using recursion. Now, let's look at the tests. This is a nice set of unit tests. It proves that the calculation is right. We review the tests and we trust them. How much? Let's try them. For performance reasons, or another excuse I can come up with, I want to change the algorithm from using recursion to a for loop. I can rewrite it myself, or I can ask the genie. The old code is gone, new code is in. Now we have the calculation with the for loop. This is kind of amazing if you think about it. It's a different approach, different design of solving the problem. But does it work? The moment of truth. Let's run the tests. Everything's green. We've just performed major surgery on our code, and it succeeded. The tests prove that the patient is healthy. Now, we have the confidence to do it only because we have the tests. We trust those tests, and they act as a safety net. Now, is that really refactoring? It is up to the limit of what the tests are actually checking. For example, my tests didn't check the performance, how long the test or the calculation actually ran. So I don't know if it has changed or worsened. Without this kind of tests, I wouldn't know. This also applies to any functional or non-functional test that I didn't write. If I don't check behavior, I don't know if it is changed. But as long as I trust my tests, this is refactoring just as renaming a variable. I have the test to prove it. This is really the ultimate goal of unit testing. It's not about finding bugs today. It's about enabling change tomorrow. It gives us the opportunity to update, change, improve our code without, or at least with less, fear. I still recommend leaving magic to professional wizards. And when you do this kind of surgery, do it one stitch at a time. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and watch other videos on this channel. And tell me, did you ever try to do big surgery of algorithms in your code? What was the result? Until next time, bye-bye.